ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. So we're here at Balboa Park. I don't know, some of these cowards be coming out here when they know I'm not going to be here and they talk about us not being here. So we're here. We're going to go see them. And these guys, they're liars. And today, I'm mentioning this now because I know they're going to get loud and not going to want to listen. But there's 3 points that you're going to take from today, inshallah. One, they said they would give $5,000 to anybody that brings them a copy of the Mus'haf Uthman radiyallahu anhu. Alhamdulillah, I've got a copy of the Mus'haf Uthman radiyallahu anhu. Let's see if they're men, if they stick true to their word. Secondly, they talk about that there is no Allah. They have a sign that says there is no Allah. But in the books that they give out, it mentions Allah. We're going to show it to them. And last and not least is they talk about Muslims being abusive towards their families and things. When Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the hadith of Anas ibn Malik, he never hit a wife, he never hit his children, a beautiful example. But this guy has been to jail repeatedly for domestic violence, for being abusive physically against his wife. He's trying to hide these things. We're going to show him. And that's it. From then on, we're done with these people. Let's go see him. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. This is the Balboa Park. I'm back here. Alhamdulillah, we've been going all over the world. Alhamdulillah, from different countries, from the United Kingdom. We're out in different parts of the US, New Jersey, Tampa, Chicago, up in LA, Santa Monica, Hollywood, going down to Mexico, to Tijuana, and our da'wah is growing, alhamdulillah. And even yesterday, alhamdulillah, in San Diego, we had 2 people accept Islam. In Mexico, we had 4 people. In LA, alhamdulillah, everywhere. But some of these cowards, the little mice that want to run around and say as if we're scared to be at Balboa Park. This is my park. I put it on the map. So alhamdulillah, we're here. Whenever we're in San Diego, alhamdulillah, I'm going to come out to Balboa Park. I'm going to be giving da'wah here. Sometimes I'm going to go to different locations in San Diego because our da'wah is growing. Sometimes we're going to go all over the world. We're not here for views or clickbait. We're not here just to serve these people. But we're here to give da'wah. And our da'wah, alhamdulillah, is what matters. Every day you see people accepting Islam. Alhamdulillah. Thumma alhamdulillah. With these cowards, you don't see anybody accepting the religion. You just see them trying to trick people into saying things and trying to make clips and baits, putting my picture in their thumbnails when I'm not even there. But I'm here, and we brought the books. You see, we brought the Mus'haf Uthman radiyallahu anhu, an entire scan. So these guys, we brought it, they're still not here. We're waiting for them. We brought the Mawsu'a, the Tafsir, Ma'thur. I brought it with me so many times, even damaged the cover because it's been sitting. Every time I come, I bring it. They're not here. We've got their own books that they have given out. And they mention the name of Allah in it. And inshallah, we're waiting for them. When they come, we're going to show it to them. And then we're going to be done. These guys, all they want to do, they just want clickbaits. For us, that's not what we're about. Alhamdulillah, we're here. We're giving da'wah. Not scared of anybody. We're going to continue by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Let me tell that.
Let me tell you this.
No.
Let me tell you this.
You're about to set up my booth?
You.
No. Look.
You just want views.
Yes.
You said you will
views.
give. SubhanAllah, look at this. How shamelessly he admits that he's doing this for views. You see their goal, their motive is views. Give $5,000 to somebody who brings the Mus'haf Uthman.
Okay, all right.
You said $5,000, right?
Talk to you right now.
Look at this coward.
No.
Coward.
Look at this coward, yeah. Look at
$5,000 to the Mus'haf Uthman.
All right.
Here is, look at his desperation for views.
Yeah.
Here is the Mus'haf Uthman.
Okay, I have that one. I do have that.
You don't have this, right?
See?
Okay, bring me 5,000 then.
Okay, hold on.
Bring me
This
5,000.
is the Quran?
This is the Mus'haf Uthman.
Again,
This is
lie.
Mus'haf Uthman.
Again,
I thought he had it.
Okay, all right.
Okay, well, what is this?
Okay, I'm going to tell you what is this. I do have that. I pay $500 for that.
You paid 5,000 or 500? You got confused there.
Okay.
We'll see, Where is the 5,000 you said you would give to somebody who brings the Mus'haf Uthman?
Let me set up.
No. You give me the 5,000. See, he just wants his views.
Yes, I do want a view to tell the truth.
This is all you want. You don't care about truth?
Of course
because we'll post our video and the truth will be out there. No, we're not going to cut anything. We're not going to cut anything. The whole thing will be on there. He's just worried about recording.
No, I'm not.
Now, the Mus'haf Uthman, where's his 5,000?
I'm going to
Bring me
ask him how
5,000.
you want to run. That's why I
I'm
wanna
not
know how it's
running.
gonna- okay,
I'm here.
So just wait.
Just
wait
because,
to let
look,
him make
I
the
told you I was going to be
Okay.
traveling,
No,
and you guys
you
put my
liar. Okay,
picture in
okay.
thumbnails that I wasn't
All
even
right,
in.
okay, that's
You're
fine.
despicable.
You here now.
Now, you tell me, where is the 5,000 for the Musaf Uthman that I brought
I
you?
will give you 5,000.
Let's see it.
No, hold on.
Let's see it. You heard him say that, right? He
Yeah.
will give 5,000.
I will.
Let's see him lie now.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Just worried about views.
Yes, you're right.
Just wants to
You gotta
get
tell the
popular.
truth to the people.
We're going to post the whole video. It's not about the truth.
Okay.
You want a mic?
Uthman is here. I told him to wait, and he doesn't want to wait.
No,
because
we don't
he's
go by
afraid,
his schedule.
Because see what oh,
No,
so
no,
I
we
will
go
for
by
your schedule.
Yeah.
Oh,
Otherwise,
wow.
don't talk to us.
Oh,
No problem.
No,
No,
okay. I
no,
wanna
no,
talk
no.
to you right
Lakum
now.
dinakum
I
waliyadin.
do not want to
You see
talk
this?
to you right
You
now.
see this?
Let me
Running,
set up my booth.
running,
Okay.
running.
Let me
No,
set up.
I got things to
Look
do.
at it, look at
Look,
it. This all kid, they don't know anything about it now.
look.
You bring those.
You
This is not the.
listen.
Okay. All right. Show me that.
Don't
Show me.
touch it. Don't
Okay.
touch it.
See, oh,
Don't
okay.
touch it. You're
All right.
najis. Give me the 5,000 first that you said you would
Okay,
give.
hold on.
The Musaf
Okay,
Uthman
let me
radiyallahu,
show
the
that.
entire
Okay.
scan.
All right.
Okay.
Let me. Okay.
What do you want to show?
No, I want to show you that. Let me set up the booth.
No,
Otherwise,
no, not gonna set up here.
This is.
Look,
Okay, see
here,
how big
a
Friday he is right
scan
now. He's a
of the
scam.
entire.
He's saying
I'm
that
the
this is
scam.
Uthmani Quran.
Yeah.
This is Uthmani Quran.
Yeah.
This is not the Quran. He's saying it's a
What
Quran.
is this then?
Okay,
What
we'll
is this?
check. We'll
What
check
is it?
Let me
What-
set up.
look at him! Look at him! This is not the Quran.
Look at
This
it.
Musaf is not the
Okay,
Quran.
that's it. It's not a Quran. Okay.
You just said it's not the Quran. This is the clear lie. Now you see it? This man claimed he has this copy of the Musaf Uthman, the Uthmanic Quran. Now he doesn't even know what it is. And he says it's not a Quran. What is it then? He's caught and he's lying. We're going to post this entire video. We're not going to chop anything out. But we want everybody to be clear that this man has been caught clearly lying. He doesn't know what I'm holding in my hand. That is not the Quran.
Show me that. Show me. I do have it.
If you have it, then what is it?
This is not a Quran. This
What
is
is it?
written by somebody. Okay, that's not a Quran, and this is not the Quran. Let's see.
Look.
Let's see. We'll find
Look.
out later.
This.
is the Uthmani
Look.
Quran. Okay, okay.
The scan. This is written by somebody. This is written by somebody.
We will fit.
Look
we
at
will find out.
it. It's a scan.
Okay, we will find
He
out.
doesn't
This is
have
not
it.
Uthmani Quran. This
Look.
is not the Uthmani Quran.
This is the
I have
Mus'haf.
the note.
Okay, now look. Mus'haf, Uthman ibn Affan. Scan the entire one.
That one, I do
The
have
two
that
have
one.
one.
He's a liar.
But you just said it's not the Quran.
Just like a
What is it then?
Footnote.
What is
Just
it?
look, you have a
What is
footnote,
it?
you bring this one.
What is this?
Okay.
What is this then?
This is, we'll find it. We'll
What
let
is
you know.
it?
Let me set up my camera.
You're scared.
Let me set
You don't know what it is. You're a liar.
A liar.
You're not giving the
Okay,
5,000
people
because
will-
you're a liar.
People will find out.
Look,
Find out.
look,
This is a
look,
Quran.
listen,
Okay,
listen,
where's the
listen.
Uthmani Quran? Where's the Uthmani
This
Quran?
is the
Where's the Uthmani Quran?
Mus'haf Uthman.
What is that?
Read.
Okay.
You can't read. Okay, everybody, read. Mus'haf of who? Uthman ibn Affan. It's not written by anybody. It's an actual scan. It's an actual scan. Look at this. Look at this. Let your viewers see. Mus'haf of Uthman ibn Affan. Mus'haf Uthman scanned.
Show me the front page again.
Go for it. Mus'haf attributed to Uthman ibn Affan. Mus'haf Uthman ibn Affan. Look at this. Look at this. It's actually not written, it's scanned. It's a scan of the actual original manuscript without dots, without harakat, so every qira'at can be read from it. Yeah, I'm not going to give you your views. Look at this. Mus'haf Uthman in the original writing, without dots, without harakat, that there's only one Quran. Mus'haf Uthman. Then what is this? He said it's not even a Quran.
Read that. Read the whole thing. Read the whole thing.
We can read the whole thing with every qira'at. Hand me this. This guy came out and said there is no Allah. There is no Allah. This is the book that he gave out in Arabic. What does it say? It says Jesus is the Lamb of Allah in his own book. This is his second lie caught right now. The Arabic Bible. Don't talk about Pathans. You had women come and debate for you because you're so weak. Hatun, you brought a woman because you're not man enough. Listen.
lying all the
Listen.
time.
Okay,
You're
listen.
making people lies.
Tell me this.
What is that?
Didn't you beat your wife?
What?
Didn't you beat your wife?
what?
Tell the truth. So what? So what? He went to jail. He's a wife abuser.
Why you wanna abuse me for my personal issue?
Because
Why you wanna
look at this.
Oh,
He
wow.
talks about Muslims being wife abusers. He went to jail repeatedly for abusing his wife.
He's a liar.
You didn't go to jail? You didn't get arrested for domestic abuse?
see that.
I'm a liar? And if I bring you,
You said the jail. I did not go
when
to jail.
you get arrested, where do you take you?
Yes, that's fine.
To a
That's-
hotel?
No, jail.
To
okay.
jail.
That's not
Yeah. It's shocking how this man talks about abusing physically his wife to a point that he was arrested and says, so what? Doesn't care. And then he tries to speak ill about the Prophet ﷺ when they try to talk bad about Muslims. This is the hypocrisy of Christian apologists nowadays. I'm going to play a clip from this man himself. It's in the Urdu language, so those who speak Urdu can know it. Those who don't know Urdu, I'm giving you a heads up. This man himself says that he slapped his wife, police was called, and he was arrested, and he went to jail until he had to make bail. He went to jail. Here he is denying going to jail. Listen to his own words.
जब अपने बिजनेस से वापस घर पे आया, बेगम ने कुछ इख्तलाफात थे, कोई ऐसी बात हुई, आपस में थोड़ी हाथापाई हो गई। उन्होंने पुलिस को कॉल कर दी, पुलिस आ गई, सबसे पूछा कि क्या हुआ। तो हमारे भाई जो जर्मन से आए थे उनको नहीं पता था, तो उन्होंने कहा कि थप्पड़ मार दिया उसको। तो बस उसका यही कहना था, तो मुझे उन्होंने अरेस्ट कर लिया, मुझे वो ले गए और बुक कर दिया उन्होंने। नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग मैं वहाँ से बेल पे निकला।
We're out. The lies have been exposed. From now on, we're done with you. You do your, we will do ours. We're done. Because you are only there to run. I am here. I have said what I have said. I have said it on camera. You just want views. I'm not going to give them to you. Now you, from now on, your 3 lies have been caught right here. Musaf Uthman, he didn't bring 5,000. He claimed it wasn't even a Quran. He didn't know what it was. Secondly, he said there is no Quran, there is no Allah in his own sign. We showed him from the Arabic books he gave out there is Allah. He talks about Muslims being abusive towards their wives. None of us, alhamdulillah, have that, but he is the one that abused his wife and got arrested, went to jail for it. I will come to this booth whenever I want, and we are done with you. We're not here to play your games and give you your views. We're here to do da'wah. Wherever that is needed, we will go. And alhamdulillah, we are here. Your truth has been exposed. Salaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah. It says Jesus, the Son of God, right?
Yeah.
I just want to ask you about the Bible. It says many other sons, right? And you bring the Bible as kryptonite for the Christians. Alhamdulillah wa salatu salam ala Rasulillah. This is our brother Saul, and we have a very important message. And this is especially for those people that have reverted to Islam and maybe your family is not Muslim. Alhamdulillah, we have some great news.
So just a couple of days ago, after a while, first my mother actually took Shahada like 6 months ago.
Alhamdulillah.
Now by the will of Allah, we have my father who's accepted Islam.
Allahu Akbar.
It wasn't easy, many culture barriers, but here we are now.
How long after your Islam?
About 5 years now.
5 years. That's 4.5 years of da'wah to his mother, 5 years of da'wah to his father. But alhamdulillah, if you have sincerity and you're consistent, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can guide your family. So don't despair. This is a great example. Keep going, keep giving da'wah. This is the true victory. This is what we're looking for. We don't care about views, we don't care about subscribers, we don't care about fame. We care about saving people from the nar, from the hellfire, entering them into Jannah. And this is what we work for, and this is our victory. Alhamdulillah, on this channel you've seen people, hundreds, taking Shahada on video. We have 1,000 plus behind the scenes, Skype, Zoom calls around the world. You see this brother Saul, mashallah, may Allah protect him. Alhamdulillah, one of the brothers that took the Shahada with us. Alhamdulillah, he worked on his family. His mother accepted Islam, his father accepted Islam. You saw our brother Richard, how his mother accepted Islam, how he's working on his father accepting Islam. This is growing Muslim households. This is victories. This is where what we care about, that people learn about Islam and enter Islam, and they're safe from the hellfire and they enter Jannah.